Hi, and welcome back to another Joy of Painting. Today, we're going to be painting, I'm not quite sure what, so let's just start off and see where it goes. But first, we're just going to start by putting some blue in the sky, just wherever we want. This is going to be the last Joy of Painting for this year, so I'm going to try to make it a good one. We're just going to make a big old mountain today. Maybe right here. Just go straight down the mountain with that nice color we've got. Maybe there's some green things happening down here, so let's just tap in some grass, some trees, whatever you think will live down here. And just put in a happy little water line going right across this whole thing. Some just comes right down here, makes a little inlet down here. I'm feeling a little ambitious today, so let's just put a big old tree right here. Maybe he's got little feet that come out. So let's just make those. And we're just gonna put the highlights on this tree right here. And we're just gonna put in some little branches coming out of this tree. And put the leaves in. Now, this big old tree is gonna need something to sit on. So let's just give him some ground right here. I think we're gonna have a couple evergreen trees, so let's just go straight on down with our fan brush and go side to side to make the happy little leaves on this guy. Let's just put some land in for these guys to sit on. We'll just add some grass right over here. Let's just put in a happy little trail. Goes right over here. Actually, maybe this is gonna be a big old rock. I like rocks. Now, this is looking like a finished painting. So I hope you all enjoyed your time painting with me, and I hope you have a good summer. See ya.